process because at the end of the day, it is you, the stakeholders, who will have to decide. It is not us. We're simply here to guide you, to let you go through the process so that at the end of the day, whatever the festival will be, whatever your decision will be, whatever the name of the festival will be, will come from the community. Because first and foremost, the most important thing is acceptance. Nga maingon ta nga, amuang yun ni. Amuang yun ni. Diba? And we will be discussing that later. Pero sa di pa ko maabot, kay kutubi ako alas 3 magyaw-yaw. Pwede pa galing alas 4. Let me share with you my experience with the Palaud Festival of Bantayan Island. Back in 2001, ang Bantayan, ang mga tao, bisag hantod gani karon na apay ginagmay. Magtuo sila nga ang Bantayan magsaulog sa ilang fiesta kada Semana Santa. Tungod kay Semana Santa, mangaon kunog lechon. Okay? So that has been the biggest misconception. In 2001, I was editor-in-chief of the Freeman Sunday magazine. I was 28 years old. Ayaw na lang ninyo, magmatik-matik mo. Wala, 28, at siya pag 2001. I developed hypertension. No? So, I said, I'd have to take a 2-week sabbatical. Magbakasyon ko 2 ka semana dito sa isla sa Bantayan. At the time, my grandmother